Are you okay? I think your brother just woke up. It's okay. Hi, River. Whoa! Why'd you throw Lucy down the stairs? Because what? What? I'm taking a video. I have you on a video with the dog. Come on downstairs. You slept late. You can come see the video. Yeah, come here. What's the video? I'm not quite done with it. I'm just finishing it up. This guy's happy to see you. I'm still making it.
How come it doesn't have the dogs?
Because that's in a different part. You want to go sit by your brother? He said I'll smile to see you.
Can you do the dogs?
Yep, the dogs are in there. They are cute. I see cute little boys. They're twins? Can you give that toy out for Sky? The one that you press down the top and it spins? Do you like it? Thank you, River. That was a nice brother. You want to press the top for him? Puppies can press the top for him. Whoops. You gotta keep it up, Sky. Oh, thank you, puppy. Good job, puppy.